Hey guys, what's up? V here. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Ripple by Muze. I wanted to start this series Cheap Tech of the Week. This was under $15. This is a Bluetooth truly wireless earbud. So again, it's by Muze by Vivitar. It's the Ripple. So let's see here on the packaging. So answer calls, hands-free, automatic pairing, up to 20 hours of playtime. And this could be something like maybe you're out, like I've been before where I've forgotten my earbuds or have actually lost my earbuds. And I just need a quick, cheap pair of earbuds. So let's take a look, see how these perform. It's open, simple packaging. Got the anti-theft plastic. All right, got that off. Sit to the side for a second. All right, so got an extra pair of ear tips. And of course, this charge cable is pretty short. Let's take it apart real quick here. Pretty short charge cable. I don't even know where I mean, look at that. I mean, what do you expect for 15 bucks? There. Simple packaging, got your little quick instructions here. And here are the earbuds. Case. Bud 1, Bud 2. There you go. Actually pretty cool. I mean, it look all right. Again, for 15 bucks. Let's take a look at the instructions here real quick. I know you don't usually see people reading instructions. I'm gonna read them real quick. So they automatically turn on when taken out of the charging case. If the earbuds are already out of the case, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn them on. Let's see, 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, there we go. Started right up. Those started up. Okay, let's get more into it. So you got your charging contacts inside. Once power on, the indicator lights on your earbuds will alternately flash red and blue. We saw that. It will slowly start to flash blue if they're ready for a Bluetooth pairing. So the red means charging. Charging complete is just clear white. So go to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Okay, so what they're gonna come up as is Muze or MUZ 3008. Let's see here. The other thing. So, all right, give me a second. I'm gonna get this set up and then we'll go over the instructions for, calls and everything like that. Hold on a minute, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So here you'll see is Muze 3008. They're all paired up. I'm gonna try it out a little music. All right, here we go. Not bad. They don't sound bad, actually. Got some good bass to them. Let's see with the music. So on the left ear, you want to press to play music. Tap it once and pause it. Let's try and pause it. All right, it paused. All right. So you also want to use that to end or to answer a call. So you press twice to redial that call, press 3 times to get the Google Assistant or Siri. You press and hold for 1.5 seconds to decline the call, press and hold 3 seconds to power on or off. The right ear is pretty much the same thing. So in all, I mean, I'd say these don't sound too bad. I mean, they're 15 bucks. Again, if you wanted just a cheap pair of earbuds, 15 bucks is nothing. I mean, not for earbuds. So you're seeing them in a range from 15 to $300 or $400 now, but these really sound pretty good. So as far as quality goes, I mean, they sound good. Again, for a $15 pair of headphones or earbuds. So put these in the case. So you got your left, your right. Show them both charging there, and you got your little indicator. Just your 3 blue lights. You know, if those blue lights are gone, that means you're pretty much at 0 battery. And here, The case, there's no magnet. It's just like a little click case. So, I mean, it's not going to flop open. I mean, it's not at all. Got there. So, yeah, there you go. $15. Again, these are the Muze by Vivitar. I will put the link in the description. I actually got these from Walgreens. Just a cheap pair of Bluetooth. Again, this will be my series Cheap Tech of the Week. Cheap Tech of this week, Muze by Vivitar. The Ripple Truly Wireless Earbuds. This is V. I'm out.